skip. Nostradamus. Steady keep pushing. Hey. Why is you always on the block and you know on them laws is watching your friends gonna be hated? Knowing the second they clamp you behind them bars to respawn, they gon' leave you as weight. Now that bitch out here getting at your nigga on snap, got her coming to the trap. But of course that's just how the game go. Now you in love with the same hoe. Just the normal, typical shit out here killing our brothers. I only tell you that shit cause I love you. There's other ways you can hustle. Tired of seeing the same pattern. Niggas out here doing drive-bys in the Saturn. Kevin really, how can you plan it? Stuck in a loop like my sample. I'ma keep spitting this fire until God put out my candle. Why is you always on the block and you know on them laws is watching your friends?